Solid perfume is a wonderful travel companion and is really, really, really easy to make. Today I'm sharing a do-it-yourself recipe for solid perfume.